So we're going to show you the horizontal long, and the horizontal long is suitable for using with the 108, the 116, the 308 and the 407 boxes. With regards to how the boxes actually mount to the spike, on the 108 and the 116 we're using the internal holes here and here, so I will unmount the spike and show you that now. All you can do is take the 2 screws from the spike and push those into the box. Through the 2 outside holes, and you're literally going to screw that straight on. And that's your box mounted. And then you'll just push that straight into the ground. You'd really only use the horizontal long if you've got soft ground. Even this grassy ground here is quite firm, and horizontal standards are more than suitable for this kind of ground. This is really kind of like if you've got quite a lot of gravelly ground or something like that. So for mounting the 308 and the 407, what you're going to do is you're going to take the grey bracket that comes with the box. So don't throw that grey bracket away. It always comes with the 308 and the 407. So just make sure you keep it. What you need to do is just undo the screws. The holes on the bracket line up perfectly. And then all you need to do is just pop the box onto the bracket. Now I would have, if I were you, already connected up the cable in before you do this. And then you can basically spike that in. Same with the 407. 407 only goes one way around. There you go. And you can just spike that straight in. And with that spike you can use SWA cabling, NY, flexes, pretty much any cabling you wish. It's not going to get pulled around because of its mounting position.